In today's video, we are diving into a fundamental aspect of technical analysis, identifying support and resistance area. It's essential for traders to identify support and resistance, whatever is your strategy. I'm not telling you to change anything about it, but you need to identify where the market will bounce off or where the market will move further down. So let's get started. So the first thing first, what are support and resistance? So in simple terms, support is like safety net preventing prices from falling lower, while resistance acts as a barrier preventing price from rising further. These levels are key because they represent areas where the market has historically shown a tendency to react. So let's talk about how to identify support areas. One common method is to look for places where the price has consistently bounced back up. This could be recent lows, trend lines, or anything. But as a rule of thumb, the more times a price has bounced off level, the stronger that support area is likely to be. Let's say, for example, we have a historical data right here in one day. I'm using higher time frames because it is the best thing to do is to identify the support and resistance in higher time frames first. We need to identify the support first. So the basic support will be right here. Okay? Right here the support. Why? Because it's recent and this is history in April and this is in December. As you can see, it retested this area and it reacted as a support. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles of one day tried to break this area. For example, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 trading days trying to break this area at that time. It's strong support level. As you can see here, when it came to this area, it bounced up. Okay, now let's shift our focus to resistance area. These are levels where the price has struggled to break through in the past. Look for peaks and areas where the market has hesitated to or reversed. This could be recent highs, trend lines, any strategy you use. But resistance essentially is ceiling for the price. Okay, let's see an example in the chart. We have this level tried to break above it. Okay, we have this also, we can call it. So I will put my resistance level right here. Okay, so basically we have this area. Why this is our resistance? As you can see, it retested this area, this one in April, in May, this one in December, this one in December also. So it retested this area, retested this area. There is no candles are closing above, as you can see, and also retested this area. This is very strong resistance right here, and from here we can take trades. You can go in lower time frames to take trades. It's fine. But first you need to identify the support and resistance. So basically my trades is how I trade. I just identify the support and resistance the previous day. Okay? And I will see, will the next day, will it take the high of the previous day or the low of the previous day? When there is, let's say for example, a huge candle right here, okay, and then when it started from here, it went up 50% or 25%, whatever strategy you use. I just put some scale in it. I trade in 50%. Not every time it will work. Obviously, there's no strategy will work every time. Okay, 50%. Then I would take my trade here, sell, and my take profit will be on the previous day low. For example, I took the sell, it went down, took the slow, then it continue taking some support from here. You get what I mean? So that's how I trade. It's not essential to follow my trading plan. It just works with me. But I'm just saying support and resistance is very huge. Okay, so let's talk about also I see this one. As you can see, it's not breaking down. It's not breaking down. So the huge support right here. Okay, and here there's a huge resistance. So you can take trades. You can take trades based in these areas, this area, this area, this area, anywhere. Scalping, day trading, swing trade, anything works. Just identify in a higher time frames the support and resistance. It's very important. So there you have it. Just a brief guide on how to identify support and resistance area. It's not fully, it's not everything. I'm just saying it for beginners only, just for you to get started. You can't. I don't want you to struggle a lot, and to say, "Oh, every time this is the area, this is the area." Just go in higher time frames. It's important. Improve your trading decisions. Improve your trading skills. Then do whatever you like. But first, you need to identify the correct way, the beginner way. Just in the end, do whatever you want. I'm not forcing anyone to follow what I say or to trade how I trade. Trading, there is so many ways to trade and so many strategies and plenty of them. Everyone's selling their own courses, everyone doing their own way. I'm just saying the fundamentals where everyone agree with it. That support and resistance is essential. No matter how you trade, you need to identify the support and resistance. That's it. Thank you. And until next time, happy trading.